Welcome to our channel. Today we how to secure market research with SurveyMonkey. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. Go to the SurveyMonkey website. Create an account or log into your existing account. Once logged in, click on the Create Survey button. Choose a template or start from scratch based on your research needs. If you select a template, review it and click Use Template. If starting from scratch, enter a title for your survey. Add a brief description explaining the purpose of your survey. Next, begin adding questions by selecting the Add Question button. Choose the question type that best fits your research: multiple choice, open-ended, or rating scale. For each question, input the text and adjust the settings as needed. Use the logic features if you want to customize the flow of your survey based on responses. Once all questions are added, preview your survey to ensure it looks and functions as intended. Make any necessary adjustments before finalizing your survey. When satisfied, click the Collect Responses button. Choose your distribution method: email, social media, or a website link. Set the parameters for your survey, including response limits and deadlines. After setting up the collection method, click Launch Survey. Monitor responses in real time from your SurveyMonkey dashboard. Analyze the results using SurveyMonkey's built-in reporting tools. Consider exporting the data for further analysis if needed. Make informed decisions based on the insights gathered from your market research. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.